I'm going to be making pancakes. So first we have our dry ingredients, which are flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Our wet ingredients are vanilla, milk, and egg. Let's start with the dry ingredients. I have 1.5 cups of flour in this bowl, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. We're just going to put this in the bowl. Now we're going to add 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, which makes our pancakes fluffy. There's 3 teaspoons, and then we have to do 1/2 teaspoon. Next, we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so we have all our dry ingredients in this bowl, and I've preheated my griddle to 350, and we're just going to mix this. We don't want to mix it like too much because it's just dry ingredients and it doesn't really matter. It just needs to be all incorporated. That's good. And now we are going to do our wet ingredients. Now we are going to mix our wet ingredients. So I have 4 tablespoons of butter, and we are going to melt this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And we are going to put a plate over it to cover it so it doesn't splash all over the microwave. And it's in for 30 seconds. And we are going to crack our eggs. We're only doing 1 egg for this recipe, but if you want to double, you can do 2. Milk, and we're going to put that in after our butter. So our butter is ready, and it's not like all the way melted. There's a couple chunks in it. We're going to mix this with our eggs. Eggs and butter. And we're going to pour this in slowly so the butter doesn't get solid. Okay, so now we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we are adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That is perfect. Now we are going to fold our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. So we just pour this into here. That's perfect. And we are going to going to fold it from the bottom to the top. Now we are just going to fold this together, just like I was doing before. And we have to get all the flour off the sides of the bowl. This is perfect, and we're just going to let that sit for 5 minutes so there can be air bubbles on the top of the batter, and that is what makes pancakes fluffy. Okay, so we have our batter, and it has sat for 5 minutes, and these little air bubbles have popped, so we are ready to cook our pancakes. Okay, so we are going to put this pat of butter on our griddle, and it's going to melt all across our griddle. We just don't want it to fall off the edge because then all our butter is gone. Okay, that's perfect. And now we're going to put our pancakes on our griddle. So I'm just going to do around a spoonful. Pop it down right there. One. We're going to do 6 pancakes for our first batch, so we need them a little space to cook. Okay, so we have our 6 pancakes, and we are going to check if they are ready. If they're ready, they will have a golden brown bottom. And this is turning golden brown. The ones at the bottom usually take faster, so this one is good. But this one is the first one to get. Okay, so this one looks perfect and ready to flip. Looks great. We're also going to flip this one. And these two. And it's ready to flip these two. Now we're going to flip these two. Okay, so these pancakes have finished cooking and we're going to put them on the plate. I hope you enjoyed